Hello guys, welcome to Shastra classes. Today we will learn number series of logical reasoning. So guys, to do this logical number series, first I'll explain you how the number series will be given. If you see this example, here you can see 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19. If you see, there's a constant increase of 3 here. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, and 13 plus 3 is 16, and 16 plus 3 is 19. So they will ask us the next number. Okay, so this is how it would be. So in the series, what will be the next number in the series? 19. 19 plus 3 will be 21, 22. So 19 plus 3 will be 22. So the next number will be 22. So this is how you will be asked questions. So there's no formula to solve the questions, but you can follow these steps to do the question. The first step is you need to check whether the number series is ascending or descending. If it is ascending, what we need to do? We need to see whether it is addition or multiplication or both. So guys, here we have seen that there's an addition. You see the difference is same, so there was an addition. But guys, if you see, difference between 1 to 2 is 1 and 2 to 4 is 2 and 4 to 8 is 4. So since the difference is becoming bigger and bigger, it is a case of multiplication. So 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8. That is how the series would be. What will be the next number after 32? Next number after 32 would be 32 into 2. So what is 32 into 2? It will be 64. So if the series is ascending मतलब increase हो रहा ना इधर देखो. So if it is increasing, it can be either addition or multiplication or a combination of both. So if you see here 1, 3, 7, 15. So there's an increase, but there's no direct multiplication. 1 into 3 is 3, but 3 into 3 is 9. But here it is 7. So it is a case of multiplication and addition. If you see 1 into 2 is 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 into 2 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So this is how the series would be. So it can be either addition or multiplication or both. You need to find out that. Okay. And if it is descending means decreasing. So opposite to addition is subtraction. If it is decreasing, it can be subtraction. Opposite to multiplication is division. So if it is descending, it can be either case of division, because see, from 100 to 50 difference is 50, 50 to 25 difference is 25, and 25 to 12.5 it is 12.5. So the difference is decreasing, but not in the constant rate. So it can be a case of division. Okay. So similarly, we can have a combination of division and subtraction. 100 divided by 2 is 50, 50 minus 2 is 48. 48 divided by 2 is 24, 24 minus 2 is 22. 22 divided by 2 is 11, 11 minus 2 is 9. So it can a case of subtraction and division. So that is how, if we categorize, it will be easy for us to solve the problems. So guys, many people are not very much comfortable with mathematics. That's why I'm touching the basics also. So what is a prime number, guys? Prime number is a number which is divisible by 1 and itself. If you see 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, they don't have any factor. Okay, the factors that have is 1 and itself. If you see 2 is divisible by 1 and itself. If you see 3, it is divisible by 1 and itself. 5, similarly with 5, similarly with 7, similarly with 11, similarly with 13. Okay. But if you see 9, it has 1 and 9. It has also 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay. That is why 9 is not a prime number. Okay. So I hope you all know odd and even numbers. What are odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So guys, in addition to odd, even, prime, you should also know at least first 5 squares and cubes of numbers. Okay. 1 square is 1, 1 cube is 1. This everybody knows. 2 square is 4 and 2 cube is 8. Okay. 3 square is 9, 3 cube is 27. 4 square is 16, 4 cube is 64. 5 square is 25, 5 cube is 125. So since you know all this, we can proceed to the first question. First question is 6, 11, 21, 36, 56. I have already done it here. You see here, this is first one as well as sixth one. First and sixth questions given here are same. If you see, the difference between 6 and 11 is 5. 11 and 21 is 10. And 21 and 36 is 15. And 36 and 56 is 20. 25. See, if you see, the difference is also increasing every time here. In 5 table, okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, or you can say 10 is 5 plus 5 and 15 is 10 plus 5 and 20 is 15 plus 5. So difference is increasing by 5 every time. Okay, so in the first question the number will be 81 and in the sixth question the number will be 36. This is first question answer. So let us proceed to the next question. Everything. So second question is okay, let us do the second question. 10, 100, 200, 310. What is the next one? The difference between 10 and 100 is 90. 100 and 200 is 100. And 200 and 310 is 110. So what will be the next difference? See, the difference is increasing by 10 every time. 100 is equal to 90 plus 10. 110 is equal to 100 plus 10. So what will be the next difference? 110 plus 10 will be 120. So 310 plus 120 will be 430. Answer is 430. Okay, I'll do the third problem here. Rabbit. Third one, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 25, 29. So guys, if you see, this one can be solved in two methods. Sorry, one method only. Sorry. The difference between 11 and 13 is 2. And 13 and 17 is 4. 17 and 19 is 2. 19 and 23 is 4. 23 and 25 is 2. 24 and 29 is 4. So if you see, there's a there's a pattern in the differences. 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. So what should be the next difference? 2. So we need to add 2. Okay, 31. 29 plus 2 will be 31. And next, fourth question. 6, 12, 21, 33. 6, 12, 21, 33. Let us find the difference. It is increasing only. The difference is 6 and difference is 9 and difference is 12. So if you see, the difference is increasing by 3 every time. 9 is equal to 6 plus 3. 12 is equal to 9 plus 3. And what will be the next difference? It will be 12 plus is nothing but 15. What is 33 plus 15? 48. Answer is 48. Okay. Let us do the fifth one now. I'm erasing. Fifth one, 2, 5, 9, 14, dash 27. Difference here is 3. Difference between 5 and 9 is 4. And 9 and 14 is 5. So if you see, there is a pattern in the difference. 3, 4, 5. What will be the next difference? 6, 20. You can check here also. What is 20 plus 7? 27. 14 plus 6 is 20. 20 plus 7 is 20. Answer is 20. Sixth one we have already done. It is similar to first question. The seventh question. Okay, I'm using this. Seventh question, 10, 18, 28, 40, 54, dash 88. So what is the difference here? 8. The difference here is 10. Difference here is 12. Difference here is 14. So if you see, the difference is increasing by 2 all the time. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12 plus 2. Next. What will be the next difference? 14 plus 2. It is 16. So 54 plus 16 is 70. You can check here. The next difference will be 16 plus 2, that is 18. 70 plus 18 is 88. Okay. So that's how we need to solve. Eighth question, I have already solved it here. 120, 99, dash 80, 63, 48. Okay. Okay, 63, 48, 35. So guys, here since there are three given, so we'll solve from the right. Okay, 35 to 48, the difference is 13. Okay, so here it is minus 13. 48 to 63, the difference is 15. So 63 minus 15 is 48. So if you see, there's a increase of 2 every time. So 63 plus 17 is 80. 80 minus 17 is 63. 80 plus 19 is 99. So 99 minus 19 is 80. So that's how. The difference here is 2 every time. Next question, ninth one. Ninth one also I have solved it here. 22, 24, 28, 36. Difference between 22 and 24 is 2. 24 and 28 is 4. 28 and 36 is 8. 36 and 52 is 16. Okay. You see, the difference is multiplying here. 2 into 2, 4. Okay, and 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. So 36 plus 16 will be 52. Okay. Everywhere we have seen that difference is adding. This is the case of multiplication. Okay. Just remember this. Next question, 4832. Oh, I already solved it here. 4832, 5840, 6848, 7856, 8864. The difference between this and this is 1008. So everywhere the difference is 1008. Okay. So the last number will be 8864. So you got 8864 here. 11th question, it is similar to second question, I think. Yeah, it is similar to second question. So we have solved it here. 10 to 90, 10 to 190, 100, 110, 120. So next difference will be 130. So 430 plus 130 will be 560. Okay. And next. Guys, we'll come to 12th question later. Since I have solved all these questions here, we'll focus on 18th question now. 4, 12, 36 dash 324. Guys, if you see, the difference is increasing in rapidly. So it means it's a case of multiplication. Okay. See, how do we get 12? We need to multiply 4 with 3. And how did we get 36? We need to multiply 12 with 3. So the next number will be 36 into 3. It is 108. Okay. So the 108 into 3 will be 324. So answer is 108. Okay. And next 19th one, 11489-1664. So guys, if you observe it, 1 is 1 square, 1 is 1 cube, 2 is 2 square, 8 is 2 cube, 9 is 3 square. So if you know, you understand the pattern, right? So the next one will be after 3 square you will get 3 cube. 3 cube is nothing but 27. You can check it here also. 4 square is 16, 4 cube is 64. That is the reason I said that we should also have knowledge of squares and cubes of at least first 5 numbers. Okay. 20th question, 5760-960-192-168. Guys, here also if you see, the difference is rapidly decreasing. So it means it's a case of division. So if you see 570 divided by 6, you get 960. 960 divided by 5, you get 192. 192 divided by 4, you get 48. So answer will be 48. The difference. So division is decreasing here. Divide by 6, divide by 4, divide by 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. So 48 divided by 3 is 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So if you see, division is decreasing. The divisor is decreasing, sorry. Yeah. Divide by 6, divide by 5, divide by 4, divide by 3, divide by 2. Okay. Next one, 165, 195, 255, 285-435. So if you see, the difference here is 30, 60, 30, 60. So there's a pattern in the difference, 30, 60, 30, 60. So the next number will be 345 only. 285 plus 60 will be 345. That is 3. 24th one, 233. So guys, if you have to get 3 from 3, we need to multiply with 1. That we know. If you have to get 3 from 2, we need to add 1 to 2. So it is 3. Plus 1 into 1. Plus 2 into 2. Plus 3 into 3. So the pattern here is plus 1 into 1, plus 2 into 2, plus 3 into 3. So next one number will be plus 4. 39 plus 4 will be 43. Simple. If you want to check, 43 into 4 will be 172. So we have completed till 24th problems. So we have left the 12th question. Yeah, 12th question. We need to we'll solve from the 12th question. 12 to 17 we need to solve now. (28, 33, 31, 36, 34). So guys, what is the difference here? 5. Difference is minus 2. The difference is 5. Difference is minus 2. 28 plus 5 is 33. 33 minus 2 is 31. 31 plus 5 is 36. 36 minus 2 is 34. So if you see, there's a pattern in the differences. 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2. So what will be the next one? 5. 39. The answer will be 39. Okay. Good upward. Okay. 13th one, 120, 80, 40, 45 dash 5. So guys, this is a problem where we need to put in the options and solve it. Okay. So difference here is minus 40, The difference here is minus 40. 120 minus 40 is 80. 80 minus 40 is minus 40. And if you see there's an addition here, actually it should not be addition. So the pattern is here is aligned in such a way that the first three numbers only will be in the pattern, in one pattern, and the next three numbers will be in another pattern. Okay, so what is the difference between 120 and 40? 120 and 40 is 80. 80 divided by 2 is 40. So similarly here also we need to get that difference. 45 minus 5 is 40. 40 divided by 2 is 20. So we need to get the difference of 20 here. Okay, so 45 minus 20 is 25. 25 minus 20 is 5. Okay, actually this is not a method to solve it. Just because they have given this method, I've shown you. Okay, here after substituting 25 I got to know that there is a difference of 20 here every time. Okay, that's how I got it. You might say that this is a vague thing, how can we know it? Yeah, but you have to remember that there exists such series as well. Okay, if you are seeing any sudden increase here, see you saw sudden increase here, so then this is a possibility of this kind of series. Okay, so 120. Okay, next 14. Erase all this. 2, 15, 41, 80, 132. Oh my god, there's a big difference here. 14th one. Let me solve it. What is the difference between 2 and 15? It is 13. And 15 and 41, it is 26. And here it is 39. Oh my god, I can see something here. And what will be the next one? 52. Oh, now I got to know that it is a 13 table. Okay, 13 into 2, it is 13 into 1, it is 13 into 3. So they are testing our tables knowledge. And what will be next difference? 13 into 5, which is nothing but 65. What is 132 plus 65? It is 197. Simple. Okay, so this question proved that we should also have the tables knowledge. Okay, next 1, 4, 10, 22 dash 94. Okay, we know that there's a difference. What is this? The difference is 3. The difference here is 6. And the difference here is 12. What will be the next difference? If you see, this is 3 into 2. And this one is 6 into 2. Okay, so what will be the next difference? It will be 12 into 2. It is nothing but 24. Okay, so 22 plus 24, it is 46. Answer is 46. Okay, guys, I think we missed the 16th one, 15th one. Okay, I'll do the 15th one now. Sorry, I've done the 16th one. I'll do the 15th one now. Okay, 15th one is 6, 17, 39 dash 116. So the difference here is 11. The difference here is 39 minus 17, it is 22. Oh my god, now we can see some other thing. We have seen 13 table earlier. Now it is 11th table. What will be the next difference? 11 into 3, it is 33. What is 39 plus 33? It is 72. Okay, the next difference will be 11 into 4, that is 44. 72 plus 44 is 116. So answer is 72. 16th one we have done, and then last one is 17th one. 4, 9, 25. Oh my god, after seeing these numbers I got something as I think something should strike in your mind. 4, 9, 25. We have seen these numbers somewhere. These are nothing but squares of numbers, right? This is 2 square, this is 3 square, this is 5 square, this is 7 square. But wait, why are they selecting 2, 3, 5, 7? So 2, 3, 5, 7 are prime numbers, if you see. Okay, so they are taking the squares of prime numbers. Okay, this question is about squares of prime numbers. Oh, this is the series, we got it. So 7 square is 49. What is the next prime number after 7? 8 is not a prime number, 9 is not a prime number, we have seen. 10 is not a prime number, and 11 is a prime number. Next one is 11. So 11 square is 1, 2, 1. Okay, so we have done 18th also. 18 to 24 we have done. Next we need to do 25. Okay, so guys, if you see this one, this is a very bit typical one, but you should know how this series is done. 7, 26, 63. If you see, these are we can write this as 8 minus 1, 27 minus 1, 64 minus 1 and all. So which is nothing but 2 cube minus 1, 3 cube minus 1, 4 cube minus 1, 5 cube minus 1, 6 cube minus 1. So the series is like that. Okay, after 6 cube minus 1 we'll get 7 cube minus 1. Okay, what is 7 cube? 7 cube is 343, and 343 minus 1 is 342. So answer is 342. Okay, next one. Next one is 26th one. 3, 7, 15, 31 dash 127. What is the difference here? 4. The difference here is 15 minus 7 is 8, and the difference between 15 and 31 is 16. So now we got the difference here. It is similar to previous problems. 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16, and next, what will be the next difference? 16 into 2, it is 32. And what will be the difference here? What will the next number? 31 plus 32, it is 63. Answer is 63. And 27th one, 8, 28, 116, 584. So guys, if you see, the difference is increasing tremendously, so it means it is a case of multiplication. Okay, it is a case of multiplication, that we know, but in 8 table we don't get 28, so it is a case of multiplication plus addition. See, we can say that 28 is equal to 8 into 3 plus 4, right? 8 3 is 24, plus 4 is 28. Oh, so this is a case of multiplication as well as addition. Since, how did we get to know? Because 28 is not in 8 table, so we need to multiply 8 with something and add 4. Similarly, In order to get 116, we need to multiply 28 with 4 and add 4. Okay. Similarly, in order to get 584, we need to multiply 116 with 5 and add 4. Okay. So what will be the if you see, the multiple is increasing but the addition factor is same. So what will be the next number? 584 into 6 plus 4, because addition factor is remaining same but the multiple is increasing every time. So 584 into 6 plus 4 will be 3508. Okay, answer this will be 3508. So it's a combination of addition and multiplication. So 28th one, six, 13, 28, 59. So guys, here also the difference is increasing tremendously, but 13 is not in 6 table. So what we need to do to get 13? 6 2s are 12 plus 1. Okay. So what will be the 28? 13 into 2. 13 is equal to 6 into 2 plus 1. 28 is equal to 13 into 2, 26 plus 2. Okay. What is 59? 59 is equal to 28 into 2, 56 plus 3. Okay. So if you see, the multiple here is constant. Unlike in the previous question, it is constant. But the addition factor 1 plus, here see, if you see, 6 into 2 plus 1 is 13 and 13 into 2 plus 2 is 28. 28 into 2 plus 3 is 59. So plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on. So what will be the next number? Next number will be 59 into 2. This is constant. We need to add one more here. Add 4. What is 59 into 2 plus 4? It is 128. See, 122. 122. So 29th one, you see the difference between 2 and 7 is 25 and 7 is 27 is 20. 27 and 107 is 80. 107 and 427 is 320 and so on. How did we get it? 5 into 4 is 20 and 20 into 4 is 80. 80 into 4 is 320. So next one will be 320 into 4, 1280. So that's how we get. If we add 427 to 1280, we get 1707. Answer is 1707. So 30th question is a very typical one. Please mark it. Please mark 27, 28 and 30 as important because we need to see before exams. So the series is, see, 5, 2, 7. It is decreasing, increasing and all. So we cannot apply ascending or descending steps here. If you see 7 is nothing but the addition of previous two numbers. Previous two numbers 5 and 2. It is 7. And 9, if you see, it is the addition of last two numbers 7 and 2. And 16, if you see, it is the addition of 7 and 9. And 25 is the addition of 9 and 16. So in this series, last two numbers got added and we get the new number. Okay. So similarly, 41 is nothing but addition of 25 plus 16. So next number will be 25 plus 41, which is nothing but 66. So answer is 66. So guys, with this we completed the number series here, but there is something called coding and also finding odd number out, which we will do in the later class. I'll resume it next day, but before that I want you all to solve the 30 problems again. Okay, see, this is not a chapter where you will have formulas and all. Okay, you will get it by intuition, by your practice you will get it. So I want you all to practice it, and I'm very much sorry because from the last 2 days we are unable to upload. there are technical glitches, there are audio and video sync, and there are audio issues. So what we are doing is we are recording and uploading so that there won't be any problems. If we are going to live stream, we are facing many problems. So we are recording and uploading, don't worry. And one good news is that from 20th we are also uploading economics lectures. Okay, so guys, I hope you're finding help through our videos, and prepare well, don't get attracted by negativity, and take sufficient breaks in between doing sums. Okay, you can easily clear CA foundation exam. Give sufficient time for preparation, that's it. Okay, and that's all for today. We'll meet on Sunday morning for coding and odd man out. Okay, thank you guys.